All right, here we're asked to solve the differential equation y prime is equal to y plus xe y over x by making the change of the variable v is equal to y over x. So yeah, this is going to be interesting. So we just know that x dy by dx is equal to y plus x e to the y over x. This is just a rewrite, okay? Let me make this much neater here. So y over x. Now we can substitute v to equal y by x. So that will just change this. Now the other thing that we want to see here is if we multiply by x here, so if we multiply by x, vx is equal to y. And then if we differentiate, this is dy by dx is equal to, we can use the product rule. So this is just going to be v plus, and then x dv by dx, right? This is just trying to make sure. And I don't know why I added these things. I don't need them. Just let me just make sure that I'm doing this right. So dy by dx is equal to, so vx, so the y prime is equal to v plus x dv dx. Yep, this is right. Okay. Okay, so this is interesting because we can use this. We can write that instead of that. So this is just going to be x. dy by dx is multiplying this by v plus x dv by dx is equal to, y is just vx plus plus x e to the v. So now we have everything in terms of v and x. This is good. No more y's. xv is plus x squared dv by dx is equal to vx plus x e to the v. And notice we don't have any more y's. So we just have v's and x's. Okay. So another thing to notice here immediately is these two cancel. So this just becomes x squared dv by dx is equal to x e to the v. Now, we can multiply by dx both sides, and, well, we can, well, before we do that, actually, that's not going to be very efficient. We can, we can just divide by x. Here and here. This will just be x dv by dx is equal to e to the v, and now we can multiply by dx here and here. So this is just x dv is equal to e to the v dx. It's not what we wanted. We want to just opposite switch, but we can't just do that. We have to divide by x both sides and then multiply. So let's just multiply this by 1 over e to the v, and same over here, and then multiply again by 1 over x. So this is 1 over x. Just want to show all my steps. So this will be xx, this will be e to the negative v. dv is equal to 1 over x, which is x raised to the negative 1 dx. Okay, integration time. Okay, so let's see. This is just going to be equal to negative e to the negative v is equal to negative, well, natural log absolute value x plus c1. Okay, cool. So that's what we're left with here. You can try to do whatever you want to this. Well, we can try something like we can divide by -1. So this is e to the negative v is equal to negative natural log absolute value x minus c1, and then we can natural log, and then all of this. So this is this. Negative v is equal to natural log of the negative of the natural log of absolute value of x minus c1, blah blah blah. In fact, actually, I don't want to do all of this. I think I'm satisfied with just leaving my answer like this. So we can leave our answers like this. And this is good. So I integrated both of them. I have this. I don't have like a single value I can plug in to solve for c in this equation. So this is our solution, and we are done. If I were to have a value, I could plug it in and solve for c, but since we don't have a value, we integrated, we solved, we have it in terms of this, and we're done.